TigerStop offers a number of table options for your application. Over here we're seeing the solid table surface that's available from TigerStop. This table is a 3/16 thick brake press form powder coated steel table. The solid table versions are available in 14, 24, and 31-inch widths. This table will handle 200 pounds per feet. This table option is our roller table option. One of the key features with the roller table option from TigerStop is there are no pinch points. The rollers sit 1/8 of an inch above the surface and there are no pinch points to catch on. The roller option available is a steel roller or a plastic roller for those applications where you cannot have marking or scarring of the part. Your table options also are available in a 10-degree tilted back and again a 14, 24, and 31-inch width.